guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating Kim Kardashian's makeup look from the Oscar night. Now, a lot of celebrities obviously showed up at the Oscars and they were looking really amazing. There was a lot of amazing makeup on the red carpet. Most of them were pretty much neutral makeup, which I personally prefer. But for today's video, I wanted to do Kim's makeup look because it was really glam. It was really bold and very bronzy, and I haven't done a makeup look like that in a long time. So I thought I would recreate her makeup look for you guys today. Her makeup was done by an artist called Ash Kholm, or Ashley Kholm, I believe. And she did a really great job, obviously. So I'll link her Instagram down below, and all the products that were used, that's on her Instagram, so I'll link the Instagram down below. Obviously, Kim Kardashian has her own makeup line, KKW Beauty, so 90% of the products that were used on her were from KKW Beauty. So if you guys are interested, you can obviously buy those products. Today I used all the products from my own collection, because this kind of a look doesn't need, you don't need to go out there and buy necessarily much more makeup, because it's a pretty standard look. I recreated her look using all of the makeup from my collection. I don't own any KKW Beauty, but I have enough makeup. So if you guys are interested to see how I recreated Kim's look for the Oscars, then just keep on watching. I've already done my brows off camera, and I've also primed my eyelids. So next we're going to just focus on the skin a little bit. So to give my skin a little bit of a glow, I'm going to use the Armani Float Sheer. This gives a beautiful bronze glow. Now I'm going to go in with foundation, and for that I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Foundation in medium dark. So for the eye makeup, Kim used a matte eyeshadow palette from her collection. For that, I'm going to use the MAC Semi Sweet x9 palette. This is a favorite palette of mine, and I've used this on multiple occasions. It's an all matte palette and it's great for traveling. I'll use this shade right here for all over the eyelids. So keep it towards the center, underneath the crease. In the crease, I'll try to use this shade right here, and we'll see how that goes. Use the shade right here on the outer third of the eyes and pack it on. So on the outer third of the eyes, there is a darker shadow. I'm going to mix these two shades right here. This is a softer gray. So it's just on the outer third. Just blend it in. I'm going to use my blending brush to blend this just on the outer third. Next, I'll take this shade right here, which is a peach shade, and put that in the inner corners of the eye. The inner corner of our eyes are highlighted, so definitely going to lighten this up. Okay, I'm going to go in with the lightest shade in this palette. I'm also going to use the lightest shade on the brow bone. And looks like it's pretty much used all over. I'm going to go in again with this shade right here, the middle brown shade, and just put it on the eyelids again to bring back the brown. Okay, so next it's time to add a winged liner, and I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty FlyLiner for that. It was a really sharp wing, so definitely need a liquid liner for this. For my lower waterline, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Bedroom Black Eyeliner. Going to go in with this dark brown shadow and just smudge out the lower lash line. I'm using a MAC pencil brush to do this. Next up is mascara. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury mascara for this. We'll add on some false lashes off camera and I'll be right back, and then we'll get to finishing off the rest of our makeup. Okay, so I'm back with my eyelashes in place and my eyes are looking really dramatic. So next up I'm going to be using concealer, and after that I'll also contour and highlight as well. For concealing, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty concealer. And I'm going to use this generously. Because we all know that Kim loves a really contoured and highlighted face. So I'm using my concealer as a little bit of a highlighting technique as well. So the whole pretty much center of her face is highlighted. So next up we'll do contouring, and I'm going to use the Milani contour stick to contour. Because the makeup artist used both her cream contour sticks and a powder contour. So we're going to do both today. So I'm going to use my flat brush and just blend this in. Just blend away from the face. So we're also definitely going to bake today because that's what Kim usually does. I'm going to use my Milk Makeup powder today to bake. So I don't usually recommend you guys to bake unless it's for special events, because it can look really dry underneath the eyes. But I'm going to use my Morphe sponge. It's a dry sponge, but I'm just going to we're also going to bake a little bit here. Just create that sharp contour. So while we let the powder sit for a few minutes, I'm going to use my Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. This is a contouring and bronzing palette. So I'm going to mix a couple of these shades and go over the areas where I cream contoured. So I'm just dusting off the bake right now. So I'm not sure if Kim has any blush on her cheeks. It wasn't listed on the product breakdown page, but I'm going to use Patrick Ta blush. This is a neutral blush and it's called She is Seductive. I'm going to use a very light hand for this because I don't want my blush to really show up. For highlighter, it looked like she had a soft pinky golden highlighter going on. So I'm going to use this shade called Cookie from Benefit. It's a really pretty highlighter. I'm going to use a little bit of this in the inner corner. So the only thing that's left is to do the lipstick. So yeah, let's get started with that. For my lip liner today, I'm going to use the new PillowTalk medium lip liner. Next, I'm going to use the new Charlotte Tilbury PillowTalk medium lipstick. I'm going to use Cookie from Colourpop and go in the center. I'm going to use my MAC lip liner actually. Next, I'm going to use a gloss from Tom Ford. This is a brownish nude gloss. So that's it, you guys. That's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully I look similar to her makeup. I mean, I haven't done this kind of bronzy contoured look in a long time, so yeah, it's looking really nice. I mean, it's a lot of powder if you look really up close, but you know, it's not looking too bad. So I'm really happy with this look, the way it turned out. The lips could have been a little bit more brown, but it's looking a little bit more pink. But that's okay. I mean, you know, if you have the KKW products, you can definitely get the exact look. So having said that, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button, share, subscribe to my makeup channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.